To solve this question, we need to plug it into long division, but first we need to convert the decimals into whole numbers. And to do that, we need to multiply them by a base 10, and we'll multiply them by the base 10 needed to get the number with the most decimal places to be a whole number, which is here. We've got 2 decimal places, so we need a base 10 with 2 zeros. And whatever we do to our divider, we should do to our dividend as well so that we can have an equivalent expression. So when we multiply 100 to both of these, we'll move the decimal place 1, 2 places to the right, 1, 2 places to the right, giving us 140 and 322 as our new numbers to divide with. So let's go plug those in. We've got 140 going into 322. Now we're going to have to do a lot of estimation here because I do not have the multiples of 140 memorized. So I know that this is close to 150 and this is close to 300. And these are related. 150 is half of 300. 300 is double 150. So let's try doubling 140 and see where that gets us. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 1 is 2. 280 is as close as we can get to 322 without going over. So we've got 4 times 2 will give us 280, and we'll need to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Here we'll have to borrow. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 140 cannot go into 42, so we have to add a decimal and add a 0. So how many times can 140 go into 420? Again, we're going to have to do some estimation. So we know that 2 times 140 got us to 280. What if we doubled that? What if we doubled 280? 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So that's a bit too far. Going up to 4 times 140 is a bit too far. So let's try doing 140 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. There we go. So 140 times 3 gives us 420 evenly with no remainder, making 2.3 our final answer.